ad agencies will quote you $30,000 for a full campaign. Weeks of back and forth, creative briefs, revision rounds, scheduling shoots, and at the end of all that, you might walk away with 2 or 3 formats if you're lucky. I'm going to show you how to skip all of that with a product link and a tool called Higgsfield Marketing Studio. 1 product, 9 ad formats. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, I was skeptical when I first saw this. The claim is pretty bold. Paste a product link, get a full ad campaign out on the other side. So before I made this video, I actually sat down and ran it myself from scratch, which is what you're going to watch me do. Marketing Studio is their end-to-end ad production workflow. You bring a product link or an image, and it generates 9 distinct ad formats: UGC, tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, and 2 virtual try-on formats. All of it is running on Seedance 2.0, which is Higgsfield's latest generation model. The part that actually surprised me was the face consistency. You upload your own face or build a character inside of the tool, and that likeliness holds across every single format. You get the same person in every scene with 0 drift. I want to sit on that for a second because it's not just a small thing. Face consistency across AI-generated videos has been one of the main reasons that this stuff hasn't been usable at scale. You generate a UGC clip and a tutorial and get 2 completely different looking people. Seedance 2.0 solves that. Same face, locked across 9 outputs. That's what makes an AI brand ambassador actually viable and allows you to keep creating content. All right, so I'm heading over to Higgsfield.ai, and I'm going to use this soda product link as a test case here. Starting with the product input, I'm just pasting a product link directly into Marketing Studio. It pulls the image and product details automatically, no brief to write, no hooks to draft, and no tone guidance to fill in. The system figures all of that out, so now I'm going to add my avatar. You can upload your own face or build a character directly inside of the tool, which is what I'm going to be doing here. Hit generate, and Seedance 2.0 starts building out the format variants. Now, this is worth saying, each format is actually built for a different placement and use case. You're not getting the same video 9 times with the style filter swapped on top. The structure, pacing, and the presentation style changes per format because that's what the format actually requires. So here is the UGC output, creator style, authentic, built natively for TikTok and Reels.
Pompey Shirley Temple is my new obsession. Cherry citrus, fizzy, prebiotic, only 5 g sugar. So good.
This is what a real person talking about a product looks like on social, and that's exactly the feel here. This one is the tutorial format, a product walkthrough that takes someone through how it works step by step. And this one is the TV spot. It's polished, it has broadcast quality, and it has a commercial feel. The kind that you'd expect to pay a production house for. All of this came from a single product link. That's genuinely hard to argue with when you're watching it happen. Across the 9 formats, you've got UGC, tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, product review, TV spot, wildcard, UGC virtual try-on, and pro virtual try-on. 9 outputs, 1 session, same face across all of them. You now have enough creative to run a real testing spread across multiple placements, which most brands don't even do because building that kind of volume is too expensive and too slow. Okay, so here's why that matters in practice. If you're shipping a product, a course, a SaaS tool, a physical product, whatever, you already know how much an ad creative problem slows you down. You either hire an agency and spend the money you might not have while waiting weeks for output, or you try to do it yourself and burn time you can't really afford. Most people end up with 1 or 2 formats, run them until they're fatigued, and never really know if a different angle would have converted better. Marketing Studio compresses the whole problem. You come in with a product, you run it through, and you leave with 9 formats ready to test against each other. You find out fast which angle actually resonates with your audience, and then you double down on that. No agency timeline, no shooting days, no 30K line item in the budget. For freelancers and agencies, this math looks different, but the opportunity is the same. You can now deliver a full 9-format creative campaign in the time that it used to take to write and align on a creative. That's not a small efficiency gain. It changes what you can realistically scope, how many clients you can serve, and what you can charge per engagement. that's worth thinking about seriously if you're running any kind of creative services business. On quality, I know that's the main question here, and I'd rather you just watch the outputs than take my word for it. I'm not going to tell you this replaces high-end brand shoot or a director with real production budget behind them. That's not what this is for. But for performance creative, UGC style content, social ad, product demos, paid acquisition, it's genuinely competitive with what brands are currently paying agencies to produce. If you're a small founder or a small team trying to get ads live fast without a big budget, this is a lot of leverage in one place. If you're an agency or a freelancer, it's how you scale creative output without scaling your headcount or your hours. And if you're just paying attention to where AI video is actually going, this is one of the clearest signals I've seen that the production gap between brands with resources and builders without them is closing fast. To try Marketing Studio, click the link below in the video description. You can generate your first ad for free using our link. Go test it on something that you're actually working on right now and see what it produces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.